Items to be prepared. The device, a hair removal razor, towels. Remove hair from the targeted area with the hair removal razor. Clean the treated part with a towel. Put on goggles. Press the power button for 3 seconds to start the device. Press the power button to adjust gear. The range is between 1 and 8. And 3 to 5 is suggested. The higher the gear, the stronger the power. You are advised to start with 3 if you are a first-time user and increase the gear gradually to a level that you can bear. Press the second button to adjust the cooling function. The range is 1 to 3, 2 to 3 is recommended. Mode selection. Press the third button for 2 seconds. It's consecutive hit mode when the indicator light is red, which suits large areas like the arms and thighs. Press the third button for 2 seconds. It's single hit mode when the indicator light is blue, which suits small areas like the fingers and lip hair. Select the consecutive hit mode for this treatment. Closely contact the skin with the device's operative surface. Treat the part with hair adopting the fixed point stamp method. Press the power button for 2 seconds to turn the device off after hair removal. Wipe the treated part with water or lotion. Contrast the effect before and after treatment. The other body parts apply the same techniques. Remove hair from fingers. Shave hair from the surface. The advised gear is 3 to 5. You are advised to start from 3 if you use it the first time and increase it slowly to a level that you can bear. For the cooling function, you are advised to set it between 2 and 3. Advised mode. When the indicator light turns blue, it's single hit mode. Press the third button a time for every hit. Closely contact the skin with the device's operative surface. Treat the part with hair adopting the fixed point stamp method. Press the power button for 2 seconds to turn the device off after hair removal. Frequency of use. The first 2 weeks, 3 times a week. The 3rd to 5th week, twice a week. Once a half month or 1 time a month starting from the 6th week. Matters needing attention after treatment. Do not spray water over a treated part within 6 hours. Do not expose it to the sun within 24 hours.